Well, hello. I have a very exciting news to share with you, and it's something that I was really looking forward to telling you. So, as you can see by the YouTube channel name, it's called Mountains for Mental Health. That has derived from a hiking group that we have called Mountains for Mental Health, where in 2019 we successfully guided over 800 people up mountains, all in aid of mental health awareness and mental fitness. It's something that is very, very dear to me. I'll leave the link in the description to our Facebook page so you can follow us. So when we do start going live again after the lockdowns have lifted, and after we can actually start getting more people on the mountains, maybe I might see you on one or two of the hikes, but it's I can't wait to get going again, because I've met the best people I've ever met in my life through this hiking group. So I'm really excited for that. This YouTube channel has derived a lot longer after I started the hiking group. I never knew that I even wanted to do a YouTube channel, but it kind of derived from there because I got into kind of recording the actual events that we were doing. Through COVID and through all the lockdowns, as you well know, you have a lot of time in your hands, and you have a lot of time to reevaluate where you want to go with your future and where you want to be in a couple of years' time. So myself and a friend of mine sat down, we've created a name, we're creating a brand, and we're creating a website, and we are bloody excited about it. It's called SoleTrail, as you can see by the hat, and we're hoping that our website will go live at maybe Christmas or the start of the new year. We are working around the clock with this website. I'm not going to go into all the details of what SoleTrail will be about, but again, it's going to all be about hiking, gear reviews, wild camping. We're creating branded clothing. We're going to have micro fleeces, and we're going to have all say the quick dry tops. So it's really exciting. But on the SoleTrail website, that is where Mountains for Mental Health is going to be housed. So if anything, SoleTrail is going to create a platform for Mountains for Mental Health to reach a lot more people. So I'm really excited about that. So what I'm trying to announce today is the YouTube channel. I am going to be changing and rebranding the YouTube channel to SoleTrail and changing the logo. I will still have Mountains for Mental Health in here, because when we do an event for Mountains for Mental Health, I'm going to have a playlist, and anything I record there is going to go into that, as well as our website. But for the gear reviews, for everything that we're doing, we want to start loading all our information onto the SoleTrail YouTube channel, which is gonna be big, and I'm so bloody excited about it. So I just want to announce today that the name of Mountains for Mental Health is changing now to SoleTrail, and so is the logo. Mountains for Mental Health is always going to be here, and it's always going to be part of everything I do. So I'm just bloody excited. So I just wanted to give you the heads up of what's changing, and from the bottom of my heart, and I mean this, I want to thank each and every one of you for who have watched the videos and who have followed me from day one. So yeah, if you don't try, you won't know if you succeed, isn't that right? So let's see where we go to. I'm really bloody excited. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll see where we get. Thank you.